Welcome back, guys, and today I'm going to talk about this website called TestBuds. And first of all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, because I'm uploading more opportunities like this and trying to help as many as followers I can help to actually get to know on or get to start working online and remote. Okay, so let's start with this website. It's called the TestBuds. This website is about testing products. Okay, if you see a website that involves anything about testing is either you can test websites or you can test apps. It depends, but all in all, you're just going to be testing websites in general. Okay, so you can see here is about the website, and then what they really do, they have a bunch of products to be tested. They are actually customers who comes and give out their website to the audience, or and then they get feedback from those who have actually tested the app or the website, and then they gather the reviews and the feedbacks, and then they improve on their product. So that's how they actually do it, this company. And then for one thing, all I'll be saying is just have a proxy. You need to have a proxy first. Have the US details. The key is to have the US details. If you're not from the US, get the US details. After you have them, now it will be much easier for you to actually make an application or create an account on these websites. Okay, so I need you to first get a proxy. First thing, that's the first thing. Get a proxy. After now getting the proxy, you can now look for the details. The US details comprise of the DL, the US number, the physical address, all those. But if you don't have them, or you don't know how to get them or where to get them, just reach out on my WhatsApp. The number is down below, and then I can come and show you or help you, or if you can afford, you can take them from me and then give you some website to try out, because there is a lot of website. Okay, so let's get back to this one. It's called TestBuds. Pretty much you're going to do test. So you can go and check out about the website, understand the website first, see how they work, and see how they actually conduct their tests. Check out everything first before you even create an account on this website, and then after that you just come and click on start testing. Once you put your mouse on your cursor on that button, you can see get paid to test as a tester, or start testing as a client. So you just click on that button, and then you can see here they'll say choose your path. What are you looking for? So you can see in this place you can check that there's this option, I want to test and make money, so which means you get paid to test. And there's this one, I want to test and optimize my digital solution, start testing. Those are the two things. For this one you'll not get paid, but for this one you'll be paid. So for you just click on this first option, get paid to test, and then it will take you to the sign up process or the sign up form, and then you'll come and fill out the form, the first name, the last name, the username, email address. For this part you need to have a US email. Make sure to have the US email. The location, you can see it's only available in Germany. Okay, these are the countries that are available in. But for the most part, you need to choose on the US. The US are the one that pays the most. Okay, US, I highly recommend US. And then make sure to have a US email, because they will detect if the email is in the US or not in the US. And then a password, and then the day of B, and then accept, and then you just create your account, and that's it. Simple. So the thing that is holding you back, let's say for a beginner, the thing that is only holding you back, it's not having the US details, or not having the right US details. So you need to have a proxy. Make sure you have a strong proxy first. Get a proxy, then you can get the other details as time goes by. Anyway, that's it. That's about the test bath. I hope you enjoyed the video, and leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow on another video, and I'll keep on posting more videos about this website, and you can actually get knowledge about on this website, and you can apply and actually get a job or get employed. So see you next time.